world. I am the co-founder at 10kids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done yet. So today we are going to do Python NumPy chapter that copy versus view. So without any delay, just let's get started. Dab! So let me just minimize the screen. Okay, and I'll keep you guys here. Perfect. Okay, so NumPy array copy versus view. Okay, so the difference between copy and view. So the main difference between copy and view is that an array of an array is that the copy is a new array and the view is just a view of the original array. So basically this is the main difference of copy and view. That copy is like what can I tell you, like copy is basically you're copying the same array but it is becoming a new array. Basically that copied array, you are saving it into a new memory location. You are not pointing to the same memory location of which where our original array is being saved. Okay, and view is just basically a representation. Basically view is just looking at the array. All right, so the copy owns the data and any changes made to the copy will not affect original array, and changes made to the original array will not affect the copy. So this basically means the copy owns the data. Data. Basically, this means like what do I say? Yeah, so basically copy is like another array which you're saving. Basically you have everything same, but it is just that you are saving it into a new memory location, right? So basically when you're saving a copied array to a new memory location, then basically you're not pointing to the same memory location where the original array is being saved. So that is why if you make any changes in your original array, then it is not going to change it is not going to make any changes in the copied array. Basically if any you make any change in the original array, then there will be no changes in the copied array. All right, and if you make any changes in the copied array, then there will be no changes in the original array. Okay, so the view does not own the data, and any changes made to the view will affect the original array, and any changes made to the original array will affect the view. Basically this means view is what? Just looking at the array, right? Basically array and view are the kind of like same, because view is just looking at the array. It's like, okay, this is the array. All right, so basically the view does not have its own data. So if you change anything, basically the view is pointing to the same memory location where our original array is pointing and is saved, right? So if we make any changes in the view, then our changes will be made in the original array as well. And if we make any changes in the original original array, then there will be changes in the view as well. So let's see copy first. So example. Okay, sorry. Make a copy change the original array and display both arrays. Okay, so import now basically it says make a copy, basically make a copy whatever our array is, make the same make the copy, then change the original array and display both the arrays. Let's see an example to understand how it is done. So we will import NumPy's NP. So now we are doing array is equals to np.array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is our array object in which we have an np np array. So now here we have this array 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now we are doing x is equals to array.copy. So basically we have the same array in our x variable, but they both are not pointing to the same memory location. They are both at the different memory locations. Alright, now we are doing array 0 equal to 42. Basically in this array we are on the index 0, basically the first element. We are changing the first element to 42. Now when we are displaying this both as copy x and arr are not pointing to the same memory location, that is why no changes will be made in our x array, but as we have made a change into an our arr array, so that change will be there. So see, this is our ARR array, which is the changed array. Well, the copied array is the same. So this is telling you that they are both not pointing to the same memory location. The copy should not be affected by the changes made to the original array, as I have told you already. Now view. Oops, sorry. Example. So it's saying make a view, change the original array, and display both the arrays. Alright. So we're doing import NumPy as np. Then we're doing array is equals to np.array 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, so we have this array. Now we are doing x is equal to array.view. So we have got this same array in here, but this is pointing to the same memory location where ARR is being saved or is pointing. So now when we are changing ARR's value to first element's value to 42, view is pointing to the same memory location, its value will also be changed. So as we are printing, you can see that both of the arrays have the changed value. You understand? You have understood this much part? Cool. So let's move on. So the view should be affected by the changes made to the original array. Make changes in the view. So for example, let's do make a view, change the view, and display both arrays. Alright. Okay, so we have done import NumPy as np. Now we are doing array is equals to np.array. So we have this array. Now we are doing x is equals to array.view. So we have got the same memory location. Array which are pointing to the same memory location. Now when we do x is equals to 0, x first element to be changed to 31. Basically our views arrays first element to be changed to 31. So basically as they both are pointing to the same memory location and kind of view and array are kind of like the same, the ARR's array will be affected and it will also be changed. So here you can see we have got the changed arrays. Alright. Now, let's see. Check if an array owns its data. Basically, we know that if we are making a copy, so it owns its data, and when we are making a view, it doesn't own its own data. But to still check how do we get this? So basically, there is an attribute base. Okay, so when we use this, if it returns none, then basically that array owns its own data. Alright, but if it gets the array in ARR, just like this example, then basically it doesn't have its own data. Alright, so as you can see, x array.copy, basically here we have got the same this array, but as copy has its own data. It has its own data, right? That is why when we are using the base attribute, we are getting none. None, if you remember, it means that it returns none if that array has its own attribute. Basically, x array has its own attribute, but as y is a view of our ARR, and it doesn't have, and when we are using our base attribute, we are getting the array which is here. That means that our y view is not does not have its own data. Okay, now let's do some exercises. So the first exercise, use the correct method to make a copy of an array. So we have to make the copy of this array. So it's very easy. So we have to just use our copy method and give the brackets. Pretty easy and correct. Woo! Now use the correct method to make a view of an array. So we have to get the view of an array. We have to make a view of this array. So we are going to use the view method. Perfect! Whoa! So this was for today, guys, and let's meet again. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done yet. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn! 3, 2,